In today's video, I will walk you through how to set price alerts on WhiteBIT. Price alerts are a useful feature that helps you stay informed when a cryptocurrency reaches a specific price. Instead of constantly monitoring the market, you can let WhiteBIT notify you whenever the price hits the level you've chosen. To begin, access your WhiteBIT account and open the Markets or Trading section located at the top navigation menu. From there, browse or search for the cryptocurrency you want. Next, click the alarm icon to open the alert settings. You'll be asked to enter the price level that you want to monitor. Type the target price at which you'd like to receive a notification. For example, if you're waiting for a coin to rise to a certain value before making a trade, enter that price in the designated field. Next, choose the alert condition. You may be able to receive a notification when the price goes above or below your selected value. Pick the condition that matches your trading strategy. After reviewing your settings, click Create. WhiteBIT will now monitor the market for you and notify you when the selected price condition is met. You can create multiple price alerts for different cryptocurrencies. This can be especially useful if you're planning multiple entry or exit points. Keep in mind that you'll need to have notifications enabled on your device or browser if you want to receive alerts as soon as they're triggered. And that's how to set price alerts on WhiteBIT.